Good morning and welcome to COM 320. Really excited to have you in this online class today and excited to see your introduction videos. So first, my name is Allison Kinney-Walker and I will be the instructor for this class. My preference is that you call me Allison, but you can also call me Professor or Dr. Kinney-Walker. So what I've asked you to tell me about yourself is where you're from, and a leader that you admire and what program you're in. So I'm from Des Moines, Iowa. That's a picture of our capital. I came here to Omaha to go to Creighton University, and I've stayed here ever since. I did both my undergraduate and graduate programs at Creighton, and then went on to get my doctorate from the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, and my doctorate is in educational leadership. A person that I admire would be Oprah Winfrey. I think most people are familiar with her. I think she's just a great role model for women and for especially women of color. She has been very successful in her career, but she's also given back a lot with the success that she's had. So she's helped a lot of low-income communities here in the United States and across the world get access to education and access to other resources. So I think she's a great female role model, and I think she has done a lot of good things for our community. I look forward to learning a little bit more about you and the leaders that you admire, and I look forward to working with you throughout this course. Hope you're having a great first week, and I look forward to seeing you more.